Hello guys, right now I fixed this TV. It's Samsung, as you can see here. It's the UE55K6500 AU. So the main problem with this TV was it was not turning on, and I just had this red light here, but the TV was not turning on. So I thought the best idea is to order the two main boards. It's this one and this one here. It's the two main boards, and I just try to fix it because it's not that expensive compared to the price of the TV. So first of all, I found this main board. I found a similar number here. I don't know if you can see, guys, but I can see it. So I ordered this one. By the way, I checked this main board and it works perfect. I don't need it, so I will sell it alone. The link will be in description below down, so you can find it if you wanna buy it, guys, from me. It's a checked main board. It works absolutely perfect, no problems. So the main thing, I didn't find this board as the same TV number as I had, so I ordered the UE55 6300 AUXXU, something like this, and it was not 100% similar from my TV main board, because as you see here, this main board have two output for TV, A1, and mine had two. But as you see, guys, the TV works perfect without any problems. I checked it, we tried the internet and everything. It works absolutely perfect, no problems. So I checked in the internet, I looked for information if that main board that I already installed, if it fits for my TV, but I didn't find any information. So I thought it would be really helpful if I show you that it works absolutely perfect. This main board, it's not working, so this one I can throw it, but this one is working perfect. I checked it also and it have no problems. I think I will sell it in eBay again. The link you will find it in the description below. It may help you to solve your TV problem. So see you guys soon.